This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Guys, have you tried installing it or still you are awaiting? Awaiting like,
No, Nitya, I did not install it. I could not do it because like I have some issue with my personal laptop, so I could not do
okay,
that.
okay. Any others? Any others? Otherwise, we can share the screen and quickly, like in 10 minutes, we can complete the installation so that everybody can view and parallelly you guys can do it. There is no problem. I could start my example, but the problem is like if you are not, if you have not installed, then you cannot practice what I am going to teach now. Is everyone is on before the laptop or how come? Sunil,
Yeah, Nitya,
Nagendra,
actually
anyone?
logged in from mobile, Nitya.
Ah, okay, okay. Pooja is having some issue. Okay, okay. Navya, Akhila, I think now for them already it is installed, so I don't think there is a problem. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Sunil, how about you? So only you
Yeah,
are left.
I didn't install it. I mean, I'm in front of laptop. I can do it within 5 minutes. I
No,
missed
no, no,
last.
don't install it. Don't install it. I will give you the organizer right. Can you please share so that other people can view it and they will do in their laptops after the class?
Okay, okay, fine.
That's fine with you. Is that right? Is that works for you?
Yeah, okay, okay, it works.
Okay. Can you please download it and can you please share so that others can also install it, right? Some people are facing issues here. Again, like, sitting later on, it is a 10 minutes job. You can right away you can install it within few seconds.
Yeah, you can see my screen, right? Yeah.
Yes. Guys, please view it and you can also do, if you are okay, parallel you can do it. Otherwise, yes, the video will be there with us. Why? Because in my system it is already installed. So I cannot install once again.
So I have to go to softwares, then yeah.
Yes, yes. Please download it. You can click on that Oracle XE. Yes. Click on it. Yes. At the top, download. Yes, you can do that. Download anyway. Yes, you can click. Yes, I think it got downloaded. Go to your download location, unzip it. Have you unzipped?
Yeah, yeah, I'm just doing.
Okay.
Yep.
You have done it, right? Oh, go to setup. Click on setup. Right click on it. Run as administrator. You have to do. Why it is showing nothing? Mm-hmm.
I think.
Okay. I think in the okay. In the zip file we might have to write. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it is installing. It is a lightweight. This Oracle is very lightweight. Okay, it doesn't take much space as well. I accept. Next. Okay. Wait. See, observe. You are going to install your Oracle XE in the C drive under the folder Oracle XE. That you have to remember. Okay, that's fine. Just remember it. In other location, if you want to do, you can do it. But fine, it's okay. Next.
Okay.
Yeah. See, the username will be always Here you are typing only password. So I am chatting. I am giving the username. That username is always sits as sysdba. Okay, this is your username. This is default username. Okay, password, any password you can give. You can give any password and try to remember it. Note down somewhere. Enter password and confirm password. So here username will be always the one which I have pinged, but password, whatever you are setting here, that will be the password. Try to give some password.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't give very big. Just for give like three to five characters. That's all. Okay. Anything which you can remember. Default port is 1521 for this database. It takes bit time for creating the database.
Yeah, setup is done.
Yes, you have done it, right? Okay, fine. Now, now how you will be checking whether it is installed properly or not, right? There will be a
Yep.
big question. How you will check? We have to cross check it, right? Whether our database has properly installed it or not, right? Okay. Do you have SQL developer, Sunil? Or will
No.
you try? Okay. Go to Google Chrome and will you try for downloading it? If at all it is asking credentials, means we will check. Otherwise, we can use like. Settle here, the installation is okay. SQL developer here it is not there. Can you please go to Chrome and just check like free download of SQL developer? Well, because see, the one which we have installed is database. For accessing database, so this SQL developer is a small software. Okay, this is a small software, but for downloading this, we need to have credentials of Oracle. Okay, try to click on, okay, download. Let's see how it behaves.
Okay.
It is
Still
Linux only, right? Yeah.
Windows only. Windows JDK 11 included. Okay, let me
Okay,
see.
no problem. So that's fine. It doesn't matter for us. Oh, nice. It is downloading directly, yeah, without credentials. Oh, it is asking credentials. You
Yeah.
have it now? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can sign up. Sign up, no problem. No issue.
Let's see.
If at all it is allowing. Sometimes it may not allow.
Let's
Oh,
down.
nice, nice.
Take a look.
So the people who does not have the account, they have to create your account. Whatever the account is fine, either professional account or Gmail account, nothing is going to happen. Okay. So that is fine. If at all you are not having, just create it and download. See, Oracle is something like software. Normally, like we will be creating some tables, triggers, procedures. So DBA people will be doing it. But unfortunately, here everything we have to do it, right? So that is the reason we installed Oracle database for. But for accessing Oracle database, our best tool is SQL Developer. If at all SQL Developer is not available, I will have told you another method. But yeah, anyhow, it got downloaded, right? Anyhow, I will teach even that. Okay.
Okay.
So the persons who are not having the account again, they may face problem. But I will let you know how even the second method as well. But first, this is the one. Okay. People who want to do parallelly, they can do it off. Any issues, we can sort it out. Why? Because once the examples were started, the classes are not going to stop. Okay. So installation is very, very important. Today, why I'm sharing the screen is at least you will have a backup video so that even you will try to install it. Till now, what we have done, we tried like only select query, getting the records from the files database. That is also like MuleSoft database. We tried like getting the records, right? Only we got like all the flights and specific flight with ID. We tried like doing it. But if at all the requirement is like insertion, deletion, updation, then definitely that database will not be working. The database will never work for doing that insertion updation. Why it doesn't work means he has not given the privilege for modifying their database. The people across will be using their database, so they have given the option and they have given the right only for getting the records. Only for getting the records they have given that chance, but for modifying or for doing any DML operations we don't have access as a user. For performing those examples, we are trying to install our own database so that we can do whatever examples like insert, delete, update, procedures, whatever we want to do, that we can do it. Okay, for doing the remaining examples, we are trying to install our own thing. We can play like anything if it is our own thing. Okay, yes. Let it copy. So SQL Developer is not a software. Just remember that point. Oracle we have installed like run as administrator, but for Oracle SQL Developer, what we are doing, we have just downloaded it and we are unzipping. That's all. No need to install anything for SQL Developer. It is just a UI which is used for accessing database. After getting access, we will try to create some tables, if required some procedures, that kind of stuff we will be doing it. Yes. Now it is, yes, very good. Come down. One icon will, SQL developer at the top, third one. Right click, run as administrator. So whenever you are working with your personal laptops, it is very necessary like running as administrator will give all the privileges and your application will not stop. Okay. Wait a second. Would you want to play previous? No. Why? Because have you used earlier,
No, no.
Nagendra? No, right? Okay, no. Just click on no. I don't want to disturb anything. Okay. This is nice. Now this is a UI. Okay. This is a UI file. Okay. Now what we have done, we have installed Oracle database. We have created one. We have opened one UI for accessing the database. Now third step is we have to establish the connection to that database. For doing that, click on Oracle connections. Nagendra, can you please maximize this? Please maximize. Okay, so that it will be clear. New connection. Yeah. So even this SQL developer is also like a Oracle product. Okay, whatever the database we should install, that is also a Oracle database, and the UI which we have installed, it is also a related to Oracle. So that is the reason it is giving Oracle connection. Okay, give some name, local DB or like that. Local DB, exactly. Username, sys as sysdba. I have pinged you on the chat. So try to, no, you have to sys space as space sysdba. Okay, even that is also fine. Okay. SysDB also we can give it, but sys SysDB means you will have all the privileges for creating everything. Okay. Can you
Okay.
please go to your chat and can you please have a check? I have messaged everyone. Can you please go to the chat? Yes. And password, whatever you have given, try to give that password. Yes.
Okay.
Now, what we can do is like, just wait a second. Click on, see, 1521 is a default port. So if you are also installing, if other people are also installing, then for them also, for everyone, it is 1521 is the port number. Can you please click on test? See, now it is showing success. If you observe the status at the left side, you could see like it is a success message. So that means you are able to establish connection successfully. Okay. Now save it. Save, save, and what you can do is connect. Okay. Now it is going to open one. Yeah, see. This is a UI now that can be used for creating tables. Okay. So now what we can do is like we can create one table. Okay. With ID. Sunil, do you know how to create a table?
Sorry. No, no, Nitya. I mean, it's
Oh.
been a long
All right. Okay. 1 second, please. I will just give you the query. Okay. Allow me some time. I'll just give it. Okay.
time. Okay.
Just. So with a few column names, we will be creating a table. Just whatever the table I have, just I am opening it. Otherwise, just I'll type you that query. I will give you that query. 1 second. Wait a second, just I'm giving you. I'm giving you that query.
Yeah.
Create table. Table name is from EMP. Okay. ID. I'll give it like number. Okay. And full name. I'll try to give it like varchar. Varchar is a string. Yeah. I'm not sharing anything, but I will ping you after typing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to give. I'm pinging you. Okay. Try to give this. Yeah.
Okay.
Try to copy it over here. Okay. Try to keep some semicolon. It is a good. If you not keep also that is fine, but keeping it, it gives like good naming convention. Try to click on green mark, that is run. Yes, table got EMP got created. Now you can check whether the table has created or not. That you can check. Click on enter. DESC. DESC means describe table. DESE. DESC. DESC
Yes. Yeah. Description.
space table name EMP. Yeah, you can run this so that a table will appear. See, a table got created and its column name is ID, full name, department. So whatever we have given, that we are able to see. Click on, go to next slide, just enter and click like select star from EMP so that any records are there inside that or not, we will check.
There's something.
Yes. So currently these records I have created, I have installed a database, I have created some table space, and table space in the sense nothing but I have created a container called this EMP, and in this container the container name I have given as EMP with some column names. Now what I will try to do, I will try to create a mule API. That mule will insert some records into this table. Are you guys clear on this? What I am trying to do? Whatever what POC I am trying to do, have you got one clarity? So to this table now a record will be inserted. So this is target system side installation, table creation. We have done it. Now it is our responsibility to create one Mule API. Okay, Mule API. That API will insert records into this table. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, Nitya.
Pooja,
Yes.
Ashtika, right? So, right. So, this installation, nobody, I don't know whether people are installed or not. So, that is the reason I have showcased this installation. So, Neil, now you are perfectly all right for doing your POCs, okay? Others have to install, okay?
Okay.
Will you, I think some people are having some issues in their, so will you try by tomorrow you will be doing it, right? Shall I go ahead with my sample? Well, because you have video, if anything is there, anywhere you struck, you can watch the video, right? Is everybody aligned to that?
Yeah, Nitya, sure.
Okay. Okay, Nitya.
Okay. So by tomorrow you try to install and whatever the example I am going to teach now, that also you can do it. Okay. Let me complete one example so that you will have something to do. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. So this already the connections were there. So now already just like Sunil, what I have done, even I have also given the connections. Okay. So now I have to connect it to the SQL page. That SQL page I have to open. So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on the connection name, right click. Why? Because after sometimes you will be closing this SQL developer when it is not required. Again, you will be reopening it, right? Again, after reopening, you will not find any SQL page. Why? Because the installation is done directly. I have clicked on connect. So it connected directly. But after doing your examples, what you will do? You will try to close your SQL developer. And again, you will, whenever you are doing, you will reopen it. As soon as you are reopening it, how you can see? You can see only connection name. That page will not be there. So how you can do is like click on that connection name and open SQL worksheet. If you click on that, see, it got open. Okay, it got open. And now whatever you want to do, you can do it. Now, in my case, already I have EMP table is already there. Some records are also there. Whatever the